Yo, what is going on, guys? My first video, you know what I'm saying, a little trade recap. It's gonna be short and simple, short summary. Um, this was Thursday trade. So, plan was for the next day from Wednesday, I low key wanted to see, us trading down to the downside to these failure screenings, right? But, um, I mean, that did happen, right? But just not at the time New York session. So I'm looking. We get this. We have these lows, but then this is a relevant low, obviously, because compared to this low right here, there's a huge gap. So it's a relevant low because look, if you look at the lower time frame, like say the 4 hour, you see relevant low. So we get that. So what I was looking at, I ain't really going to 4 hour till I was looking for a draw and liquidity. But really I was on the 1 hour. Come over here real quick. Okay. So basically what happened was ES took out that initial low, right? And we created SMT right here. SMT. See? Create SMT. And then out of that SMT, we got a change in state of delivery, right? But also, we have a C2, so a candle 2 closure, but also, ideal. This is ideal, right? So basically, what I'm doing is I'm trading candle 3 and then towards the draw and liquidity, which was this was my initial draw, right, up to there. But I didn't really put my take profit right there because I only went for 2R. So let's just go down to the 5 minute. All right, we get that change in state on the lower time frame, confirming this low. All right, and then when we hit this when we expanded, right, 8:30 news driver, when we expanded, obviously this is a point of reversal, and then 9:30 should continue, right? We hit this relevant high, right? Hit this relevant high. Let me just take this off because that was the 1 hour change in state. All right, so we hit this high, and then we get a new phase of price. So we're just consolidating here, right? So you just draw out consolidation. That's what I did. Just drawing out the consolidation, right? What I wanted to see 9:30 manipulate this low, and that's what we got. We got a closure over. So changing the state, confirming this low. Okay. Then I took a market entry. I kind of got filled kind of terribly. So it was like kind of like up here. I low-key forget where it was. Right here. Didn't really get a good fill. I had my stop loss on, the swing. And then once we got this confirmation on the 9:35 candle, the closure on it, I put my SL right at the body of the down close candles, because price shouldn't ever come back down to this low anyway, and it should respect 0.5 of this. So that's what I did, and yeah, that's basically the whole trade recap.